This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gummies using Agar Agar, a fantastic plant-based gelling agent. Forget gelatin, Agar Agar offers a firm, satisfying chew. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: Agar Agar powder, your favorite fruit juice, and a touch of sweetener. A little lemon juice can brighten those fruit flavors beautifully. Get ready to create some delightful, homemade treats that are both fun to make and even more fun to eat. Next, let's get cooking. First, whisk your Agar Agar powder into cold liquid to ensure a smooth mixture without any lumps. Then, gently heat this combination, stirring continuously until the Agar Agar fully dissolves. It's crucial to bring the mixture to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. This step activates its gelling power. Finally, remove it from the heat, stir in your sweetener and any additional flavorings, ensuring everything is perfectly combined. Now for the exciting part, setting your gummies. As soon as your mixture is ready, pour it quickly into your chosen molds or a shallow dish. Remember, Agar Agar sets much faster than gelatin, even at room temperature, so speed is key. Pop your filled molds into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. Once chilled, your perfectly formed gummies will easily release from their molds, ready to enjoy. To achieve truly perfect Agar Agar gummies, here are a few helpful tips. Always use a precise kitchen scale for measuring your Agar Agar powder. Accuracy makes a big difference. You can adjust the amount of Agar Agar to control firmness. More powder yields a firmer gummy. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit juices and natural flavorings for unique tastes. Store your finished gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 or 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.